Yo guys, so today we're off to Ashton Gate to watch Bristol City versus Wigan in the Championship. Today it is 6th place. It's either 5th or 6th place Bristol City versus 20th place Wigan. It's a really big game today for none other reason that we've just got to keep up the momentum to try and remain in the playoffs. Wigan obviously aren't on the best run of form, just come up from League One at the start of the season, and you know, they're not doing too bad, I suppose, when you really consider that they've just come up. Anyway, City, we're doing really well at the moment. We've won our last 2 games after the international break. An amazing win with a hat-trick by Andreas 5 minutes Sheffield United a week ago today. And midweek we beat Middlesbrough away 1-0 from an Adam Webster goal. It was a huge win, to be honest. If anyone had said to me that we'd be getting 6 points from those 2 away games like 2 weeks ago, I would have told you that you were a liar. Anyway, we're doing really well at the moment. Hopefully we can keep up this good run of form. My score prediction is 2-0 to City. I'm hoping for a good, confident win by the boys. Just put them out of sight early on, Wigan, and then just hold on and get the win, get those 3 points on the board, and keep it in our hands to stay in the playoffs. Hopefully we can win. If you could like and subscribe, it would mean a lot as well. Thank you for watching, and come on, you Reds.
Well, come Wolves now, we. I think they'll be right behind them today. Where that was going?
say a 94th minute goal by Pilkington saved a point for Wigan. I'd say probably deserved in the end. It was quite an even game, but I think that Wigan probably edged it in the first half with a fantastic strike, to be fair to him. I can't remember his name, but he was a very good strike. And obviously we probably dominated in the second half, but that didn't matter really. The points were shared. In my opinion, it's definitely 2 points dropped. Wigan have got the worst away form in the league, I believe. That's what I read, and that's what we do against them at home. It's not really, to be honest. Anyway, it's 2 points dropped, especially with other teams around us dropping points as well. My man of the match was Fam Rajiju. His hold-up play was fantastic throughout the game, in my opinion. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you can like and subscribe, it would mean a lot, to be honest. Thank you for watching, and come on you Reds for West Brom at home.